you're into GPU-accelerated computing, AI, machine learning, HPC, or scientific workloads, you've probably heard these big names, Nvidia's CUDA and AMD's ROCm. But which one is actually better? Today, we break it down. So CUDA, which stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture, is Nvidia's proprietary GPU programming platform and ecosystem that's been around since 2007. It's the industry standard for GPU acceleration, with deep integration in all major AI and ML frameworks by PyTorch and TensorFlow, and a massive set of highly optimized libraries like CUDDN and CUBLAS. Some of its pros: strongest performance and maturity. Millions of developers use CUDA, and its optimization libraries have been refined for nearly 2 decades. Broad framework support works seamlessly with almost every AI ML tool, making model training, inference, and deployment easier. Universal Nvidia GPU coverage. Every Nvidia card from low-end to flagship enterprise accelerators supports CUDA. However, it is closed source. CUDA is proprietary, so you're locked into Nvidia hardware. Premium hardware costs. Nvidia's GPU tend to cost more, especially at the premium AI inferencing and training level. ROCm, Radeon Open Compute, is AMD's open source GPU compute platform intended as a competitor to CUDA. It uses HIP tooling that helps port CUDA code to AMD's hardware with minimal changes. Some of its pros: open source. You can inspect and customize the stack and avoid vendor lock-in. Code portability. HIP allows converting CUDA code to run on AMD devices, giving flexibility if you want hardware choice. Growing performance. Some ROCm-based setups, especially with recent AMD GPUs, are competitive in memory-heavy tasks and can be cost-effective. However, it's a smaller ecosystem. Framework and library support is improving, but still trails CUDA's breadth and maturity. Limited hardware support. ROCm historically has worked better on professional GPUs and Linux. Consumer GPU support and Windows support are still patchy in comparison. Setup complexity. Getting ROCm running on some systems, especially consumer cards, can be tricky compared with plug-and-play CUDA. And now for the side-by-side comparison. In terms of performance and ecosystem, CUDA still dominates broad AI, deep learning, and HPC workflows because of its mature libraries, massive community, and proven performance scaling. ROCm is closing the gap, especially on memory-intensive and some inference tasks, but overall support and tooling aren't as deep yet. In terms of flexibility and openness, ROCm wins for openness and portability. You're not locked into one vendor and you can dive into source code. CUDA wins for ease of use and framework compatibility. It just works in PyTorch, TensorFlow, and practically every modern stack. The best choice? Choose CUDA if you want the best ecosystem, easier setup, and top-tier performance in AI, ML, and scientific computing. Choose ROCm if you want openness, hardware flexibility, and cost-effective compute, and you're ready to deal with a steeper setup curve and smaller ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.